CQDX, CQDX. This is Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada. We are doing CB Radio VideoGate. We are going to QSY 27365, QSY 27365 for possible CB Radio VideoGate, and we go. Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada on the key, waiting for CB Radio VideoGate. Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada, CB Radio VideoGate.
Tango Charlie 02. Tango Charlie 02. Good morning to you, sir. I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'm going to try to weave my in from the east coast of South Carolina. This is Needle Bender, 0737. This is Needle Bender, 0737, and I'm on the east coast of South Carolina. Do you roger my Roger? Over.
Roger, Needlebender 0737. We have you loud and proud here into Western Newfoundland, Canada. Tango Charlie 02 returning.
100% contact, my friend. 100% contact. You sounded like a local here this morning. You sound like a local here this morning, and I appreciate you recognizing my station, and I hope you and your fine families well on that end. Is that a Roger?
Roger 0737, everything is well and good and proceeding here in Western Newfoundland, Canada. We certainly offer you the same back to you, sir. We hope that all is well with you. Back to you.
100% contact, my friend. 100% contact. Your signal is a 7 and 9. Your signal is a 7 and 9. Your modulation is 100% and crystal clear. Is that a Roger?
Roger, appreciate that very much, sir. And your modulation is nice and punchy here. We have you at 7 and 9 as well. I am doing a VideoGate, sir. So if you can pop by my YouTube channel shortly, you'll be able to watch this VideoGate of both of us having a communication on 365.
That is a Roger, my friend. That is a 100% contact, and we thank you and we appreciate that. But I tell you what, you save all the flowers for yourself because you're sounding real brand back on the east coast of South Carolina. Well, I take my hat off to you on your working conditions. Your working conditions are doing you an excellent job this morning. My working conditions here, I'm talking on a Raincoat. I'm talking on a Raincoat with a Turner Plus 3 desk microphone. My antenna is a 400 beam Yagi. 400 beam Yagi on the flat side. Is that a Roger?
Roger 0737, yeah, certainly doing wonders for you. That sounds like an awesome setup, sir. My working conditions here is a Cobra 2000 GTL, and my antenna is an Antron 99. It is 15 feet at the base.
Well, I tell you what, I take my hat off to you on your working conditions, sir, because they're definitely doing you a beautiful job this morning back on the east coast of South Carolina. And once again, I want to thank you. We getting hunkered down here for that Hurricane Ike. We getting hunkered down here for him to slam into the east coast of South Carolina sometime tonight and tomorrow and Saturday. So we're hunkering down here and waiting on him to see what he's going to do here on the east coast. So you take care, and God bless you and your family, and stay safe until we cross again. Needle Bender, 0737. I'm on the east coast of South Carolina. And by the way, before I go, my personal is John. My personal is John. Juliet Oscar Hotel, November. And God bless you.
Roger, John, Needlebender 0737 in Eastern South Carolina. We offer you our thoughts and prayers as you prepare for this hurricane that's moving through, and we certainly hope there's no damage and that there's no loss of life. My personal here is Andy, Alpha November Delta Yankee. My YouTube channel name is that, ANDY TOBIN, Andy Tobin. Roger?
Roger, you're Roger 100%, Andy. Hey, Andy, Roger, you're Roger 100%. And I want to thank you once again for coming back and recognizing my station. Until we cross antennas again, Andy, God bless you and your family. This is Needle Bender, 0737. I'm on the east coast of South Carolina. Andy on it this time. Goodbye. Anyone got a copy?
Amen, brother. Appreciate that very much. 9 Tango Charlie 02 in Western Newfoundland, Canada. We're clear with that needle bender to 0737 in Eastern South Carolina. John, God blessings to you. Amen. And we will be hoping to cross antennas with you very soon. Take care and God bless.